So I've got some second early Charlottes here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to plant them in the pots. So start by a spadeful of manure in the bottom of each container. Now these are approximately 15 litre containers, which are quite small for when you're growing potatoes, but I don't want to harvest mine when they're too big. I want to get them a little bit smaller, so I don't mind the container size. So a spadeful of manure in each. But whatever size container you have, you want to fill up around about a third in the bottom. That gives enough space for the roots of the potato. Now you want to pop the potatoes in there with the shoots pointing upwards. And once they're in there, make sure they're nice and secure. I'm putting a good spadeful of my own homemade compost. So you've got a layer of manure which will feed it well, and then some compost over the top, which will also feed it well, but it won't be as sort of highly concentrated as the manure. And it's all light and crumbly, so when the potatoes start to grow, it's all crumbly and easy for them to expand. It's not too compacted. So you want to give these a good water, and when they start to grow, leave a couple of inches of leaves there, and then cover it with another spadeful of compost, and do this until you've worked your way up to the top of the container, and then just let the leaves grow through, and that'll be fine. The potatoes will be growing inside there, giving it plenty of space. And I'm choosing a part of the allotment that gets full sun for most of the day. So I've got these 3 pots here and my main potatoes in the ground. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.